Let's learn how to simplify fractions by working through an example. We'll simplify the fraction 11 over 35. To simplify a fraction, we need to find the greatest common factor of both the numerator and denominator. Let's start by finding all the factors of both numbers. Let's start with 11. To find the factors of 11, let's try dividing it by numbers from 1 up to 11. 1 divides evenly into 11, and 11 divides evenly into 11. Since these are the only factors, 11 is what we call a prime number. Now, let's find the factors of 35. 35 can be written as 5 times 7, so its factors are 1, 5, 7, and 35. Now, let's find the common factors between 11 and 35. Looking at both sets of factors, we can see that 1 is the only number that appears in both lists. This means that 1 is the greatest common factor of 11 and 35. When two numbers have a greatest common factor of 1, we say they are coprime or relatively prime. This means that 11 over 35 cannot be simplified any further. It is already in its simplest form. Let's visualize why this fraction can't be simplified. If we were to mark 11 points and 35 points on two number lines, we wouldn't find any common groupings except for individual units. This is another way to understand why these numbers are coprime. In conclusion, when simplifying fractions, we look for common factors between the numerator and denominator. In this case, 11 and 35 only share 1 as a common factor, making them coprime numbers. Therefore, 11 over 35 is